Do you believe it? This scene comes directly from the factory's production machines. A true 1.13D model. What you are seeing is the actual 3D form as it was manufactured. The factory production has now been completed. We are preparing for on-site assembly and installation. We will faithfully restore the 3D model to its original design and bring it to life at the actual site. We hope what comes next will truly amaze you. This is the engineering technology we are most proud of. From digital 3D modeling to precision digital fabrication. Anping Villa, Hungmeng engineering team. We look forward to meeting you in 2026. Grand opening.